Good afternoon. Another day on the bus. Today we're going to be welding up some more. We're gonna weld this piece on here. Maybe try to get this top piece on, and maybe work on this corner piece. Try to get this side about knocked out if we can. Okay, it's been a few hours. It's kind of a nasty day out today. Kind of windy. I got some stuff welded up. I might have to call it for the day. What I have is this section here done. Now this side is completely welded. It just needs finish painted and tuned up. This side here, this is not welded yet. This is just mocked up. This is in place here. And this is in place here. I might go with some steel tomorrow. Work on tailgate. Now we have a short week this week, so I'm not sure how much I'll work out here. Good afternoon. It is Saturday afternoon. We are working on the bus. Got our steel, got our bus moved. So we're gonna work on this tailgate here. I got an idea how I want to do this. Or I'm sorry, not this tailgate. We're gonna work on this gate here. I got an idea how I want to do this. I'm gonna start designing it a little bit. Might take a little bit of time. I'll explain to you what we're doing as we go. But the back of this tailgate, or this gate here, I'm gonna have it swing out this way, which I know it should swing the other way. In case it opens driving down the road, it will be able to stay closed. This way, if it opens, it's gonna fling open. But my theory behind that is when I'm sitting here using this deck, we'll be sitting on this side of it most of the time. This will be our campsite. If this opens up to 90, it's in the way. Opens up inside to 90, it's in the way of the deck. This way, it open up, won't be in the way. Open up here, won't be in the way. So that's my logic behind that. I'm gonna have it swing opposite what it probably should be done. But that's my reason. Okay, I got this clamped up. Now what I will do is I will tack these corners with a welder and get it close. And then once I get everything tacked up, I'll weld her up. Good morning, it's Monday morning. This is what I'm working on today. Here, up, down, around. That's gonna go right around the gas tank. Got it formed here, up, over, down, back around. We'll get this welded up real quick, ground up, and then get the hose drilled. Here's a piece from yesterday. Just got prime gray. Okay, been working all day in the garage. That's what I got done. That piece there, which is half the gate. Okay, today we will be working on the bus. I've got this piece clamped up, ready to go. I'll get this welded, then we'll throw it up. This is how it looks so far. And we got our bars over here drying in the paint. Amber's gonna work the camera as I do some welding. Good afternoon. Today will probably be the last day for this video. So I'm gonna try to get this bar cut today. These bars cut, maybe these welded in, start working my attaching my hinges. It's really windy, so I don't know if I'll be able to weld outside today. Now this here is not welded yet, so I got to weld that on. I can do my latch here. This I'm having an issue with. I may have to cut these off and push this pole a little bit, because right now it's in, so it's causing my middle to be V'd in. You can see that's tight there, or that gap here. So I can either drill a hole in a little bit, retap it, and close this gap together on both sides, and make the middle a little bit wider, and I can put my feet on it. Okay, so we're gonna end it. We're done for the day. We're cold. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned, because we'll be
more projects,
something different every week. Thanks, guys.